My name is Ramon, and today I'm going to be showing you the strategy that I use to turn £300 into 3.5k. All trades on this account were done only by looking at charts and trading off support and resistance zones. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade off support and resistance zones, and also how to trade breaks and retests of both support and resistance zones. So let's waste no time at all and jump straight into the charts. So let's start with some support first. So I've just gone into Euro USD and I've picked a random time frame, in this case 1 hour, and found an area where price is likely to bounce. So what a support zone or a support area is where price comes down and makes a new low. So that would be here, makes a new low and makes quite a big move away from this low. So this is just a bounce of a low. So that's not yet called the support. However, when price comes down, again, after making the big move up, to around the same area, as you can see here, around the same area, and then makes another big move up, we can now label this a support zone, because price has come to this level more than once and bounced both times consistently. So what we can then do is extend this line out like that, and next time price comes to this area, we can take a trade off a bounce from the support zone. So what you would do now is you would draw this area in like I just did, this just here, and then extend it out to the right, and next time you would wait till price comes to this area, you would take your long position, you try get in, and you place a stop below the area and a take profit above the area, just like this, and then you would look to profit off the bounce. And as you can see, it happens here once again, and technically if you were quick enough you could also get into this position where price would come and then make a big move up, same thing. So price goes to these areas of support. And now I'm going to give you a quick little look into resistance, which is basically the same thing as support, but instead of bouncing up, it's bouncing down. So yeah, so let's have a look at this. So we found the area where price reaches a new high, which is here, and now we're looking to see if price reacts again. So as you can see, we come up here, and next time price gets to a very similar area, it reacts, it makes a jump down. So we can say that is resistance, but for better confirmation, this would be the resistance. So up here, because price makes a very big move off this. So price has now come to this area, not once but twice. So once, twice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to extend this out all the way. And next time, we're going to wait till price comes back around. And as you can see, price then comes back into this resistance zone because it's bounced once, twice, 3 times. This, you could say it's bounced once here, or you could say it's bounced once or twice. It's up to you. That's why trading is a little bit intricate. It's up to interpretation. So this I wouldn't really call a bounce because it's not as big as a move. However, this bit is a proper bounce, so that I would call a move. So this is your first, this is your second, so now you can label that as a resistance zone. And now the next time price gets there, we're looking for a bounce, and we got that here. So you could have just taken a short position just about here with a stop loss just above, so maybe 20 pips, and that just means, as you can see, it didn't fully respect it because it bounced to a new high. However, it was a candle wick. It wasn't a full body. It didn't close there. It closed here. So we'll say that. Put our take profit. I usually do 1 to 1.25. So in this case, it would have won within the same hour. 1 to 1.25, just like that. And that is how you trade off a resistance zone. As you can see, we have a resistance zone. Price has bounced once, price has bounced twice, price has bounced 3 times, and then on the 4th time, as you can see, there's no wick. So this is a wick of a candle, there's no wick of the candle here. What it's done is just smashed straight through it. And now this resistance zone could be turned into a support zone. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait to see if price comes down and touches this and then makes a move off. So that could have counted, but the highs, let's see, not really. I wouldn't take that trade. You want it to test deep into the zone. So for example, here and here, yeah, these are good trades. So now this resistance zone has broken and retested as a support zone. So what I'm going to be doing here is I could take a trade here, I could take a trade here, I could take another trade here. And as you can see now, this so-called resistance zone is now turned into a support zone where you can also take trades off. So a question I would ask you if you were paying attention is, where here would you draw another support or resistance line? So the answer to that is just here. So price bounced once, price bounced twice. So here you could also draw up another resistance line, just like that. And then you could look to take trades in between these bounces. So you could take a trade there, take a trade there, take a trade there, take a trade there, take a trade there. So now, instead of just taking the break and the retest, you've also found another area of support. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. And when price gets choppy like this, it starts to not respect the zone. It's not bouncing consistently, it's not going down. That's where you end it. That's where it's no longer a support or resistance.